Indeed, smart displays are designed to sit on a flat surface, such as on a desk or a shelf, and hardly transport them from bedroom to kitchen. But Facebook's Portal Go takes a different approach, as you can easily move around with it at your home since it's completely wireless and has a convenient handle. It packs tons of video conferencing and media playback features, as well as a surprisingly robust web browser that allows you to always stay in touch with your loved ones. Well, today, we would like to share an in-depth review about the Facebook Portal Go. So with that being said, let's get started. Starting with the design, at a first glance, you will easily get confused since it has similarities with the Echo Show 8, especially the exterior. Both of them look almost identical, but the Portal Go is 10 inches. However, the Portal Go's adaptive screen matches color and lighting of the room to ensure you can enjoy the content without any reflection. The outer shell is wrapped with fine textured fabric which provides a premium feel on hands, and the width to height ratio with triangular shaped design ensures better stability. This impressive construction is more than enough to complement every interior. Coming to the video quality, your kids will surely enjoy video conferences with Grandma, as it has a 12-megapixel smart camera with ultra-wide field of view that provides crystal clear pictures. Plus, it uses AI to make sure everyone is in the frame and can zoom automatically no matter where the conversation goes. Even if someone enters the room, it widens to keep everyone in view. With AR masks, backgrounds from Disney, Marvel, and more, you can make video calling more funky by adding some silly to your calls. For personalized entertainment, you can fill any room with your favorite music. Its 2 full-range speakers and 1 woofer are robust enough to deliver optimistic music all over your room. If we compare it with the Echo Show 10, then the Portable Go will slightly fall behind. However, Facebook's Smart Display uses AI to minimize the background noise and enhance the voice of whoever is talking. It becomes really helpful while you're on a serious meeting and want to cut the noises that are coming from the kids' room or from outside. For great compatibility with Messenger, WhatsApp, Zoom, and many more, you can easily stay connected with your beloved ones. Even if they don't have any Portal devices, they are still able to receive your phone calls to make the bonding more stronger. Interesting, right? Now when it comes to portability, nothing can beat this amazing device. And we have never seen a smart display that's completely wireless. It's housed with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last up to 14 hours, and according to the Verge review, it stands up to 19 hours. So you can maneuver with it wherever you want and run behind your kids without any worries. Last but not least, we would like to talk about voice compatibility. Well, like most smart displays, this smart video calling device also supports Amazon Alexa to make your life easier, more meaningful, and more fun by letting your voice control your world. Alexa can help you get more out of the things you already love and discover new possibilities you've never imagined, such as asking Alexa to check who's at the front door, adjust room temperature from thermostat, turn on the water heater to get a cozy bath, and more. So, these were the Facebook Portal Go review just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.